BTC trades below $46,000, Ether stays above $2,600. Spot BTC ETF top $4.5 billion total volume on the first day of trading. South Korea reiterates ban on crypto ETFs despite US approval. Near foundation lays off 40% of workforce despite rosy financials. Crypto mixer Tornado Cash laundered over $55 million in 2023 despite sanctions. Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VD markets witnessed huge volatility in the past 24 hours after spot Bitcoin ETF's approval by US regulators, a landmark decision for the digital asset industry. Bitcoin hovered around $46,000 levels. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.4% at 59,400 points. Interestingly, BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF, the iShares Bitcoin Trust, was the top performer of the newly listed funds, handling just over $1 billion in volume, 22% of the group's total volume per Yahoo Finance data. Meanwhile, the ProShares Futures Bitcoin ETF experienced record-breaking trading activity of its own, with more than $2 billion in total volume on the day, reports highlighted. In an interesting piece of news, market participants will keep an eye on the options expiry of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Interestingly, more than $2 billion in BTC and ETH contracts are set to expire this week. The expiry will further provide cues on its impact on the cryptocurrency markets, analysts said. Although ETF approval decision will further provide investment options for investors, particularly the institutional investors, by broadening the investor base, it is also likely to trigger massive price volatility for the grand old cryptocurrency. Previously, the US securities watchdog made history by begrudgingly approving a batch of Bitcoin spot ETF. The completion of the excruciating process of going mainstream fueled optimism among traders. Obviously, this will reflect in increased investor participation as well as in price and volume over the due course. The global crypto market cap was at $1.75 trillion mark, decreasing 1% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes decreased by 18% to $98 billion. Moving on, a mysterious entity has injected $2.88 billion into the crypto market over the past 3 months, raising concerns about its intentions. The whale transferred $239 million USDT from the Tether treasury to a wallet named OX1DBB, with subsequent deposits into various exchanges. Furthermore, Lido DAO token holders have seen an 18.97% price increase in the last 7 days, outperforming altcoins like Solana and Ripple. Well, this increase may be linked to Ethereum's 18.48% value increase, similar to Lido's support for Ethereum post-merge. US stock futures traded mixed as investors assess the latest CPI data and focus on various key economic data later this week. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 15 points. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures were both down 0.16% and 0.11% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $46,040, down by 0.6%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.2%, trading at $2,612. Binance's BNB token was down by 1.3% to trade at $309. And if we talk about Solana Sol, it was down 3% and was trading at $98.7. Cardano's ADA token was down by 1% to trade at $0.57. Avalanche's AVAX was trading at $38.8, lower by 0.5%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 0.1% to trade at $0.91. And if you talk about Doge, the popular meme coin, it was trading down by 0.4% at $0.084. Shiba Inu was trading down by 1.5%, and Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.59, down by 1%, and Polkadot was down by 3% to trade at $8.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. The first day of trading for a suite of new Bitcoin exchange-traded funds has gone off with a bang, with BlackRock, Grayscale, and Fidelity's ETFs coming out on top in total volumes. One issuer, however, didn't get to start as expected. Aggregator data from Yahoo Finance shows that the total volume across 10 of the spot Bitcoin ETFs reached more than $4.5 billion in total volume for day one trading. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF, the iShares Bitcoin Trust, was the top performer of the newly listed funds, handling just over $1 billion in volume, 22% of the group's total volume, as per Yahoo Finance data. Following close behind was Fidelity's spot Bitcoin ETF FBTC, which witnessed some $685 million in one-day trading volume. Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF, which trades under the ticker GBTC, notched $2.2 billion in total volume. The investment vehicle is a conversion of its pre-existing Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. South Korea's top financial regulator said today that it will stand by its rule that restricts financial institutions from launching cryptocurrency exchange-traded funds, local media reported. An official of the country's Financial Service Commission told local news outlet that the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US is not an event that would prompt the Korean regulator to lift the ban or reconsider it. The report cited the stability of the financial markets and investor protection as reasons for upholding the current restrictions. The country's Capital Market Act currently limits the scope of underlying asset for investment contract securities such as ETFs to financial investment instruments, currencies, and ordinary commodities, which does not include crypto. South Korea does not acknowledge cryptocurrencies as financial assets and has banned financial institutions from investing in crypto since 2017. South Korea is developing a two-part crypto regulation, with the first part passed last year and set to go into effect in July 2024. It is constructing the second part of its Crypto Act, which aims to set clear rules regarding the issuance, listing, and delisting of cryptocurrencies. Nia Foundation, the developer of the namesake Layer 1 protocol, announced that it would lay off 40% of its staff to significantly consolidate the core foundation team to focus on a narrower and higher impact set of activities. According to the Jan 11th announcement, the decision to let go of 35 Nia employees in the marketing, business development, and community teams came after feedback that the foundation has not always been as effective as it could be, sometimes moving too slowly and trying to do too many things at once. Despite the layoffs, however, it appears that the Nia Foundation's financial has been robust. Currently, its treasury amounts to over $285 million in fiat currency, 305 million Nia tokens, which amounts to $1 billion, and $70 million in investments and loans. Meanwhile, the daily active user count of Nia protocol grew from 50,000 to 3 million, and its Twitter followers grew from 200,000 to 2 million, citing more than 2,000 pieces of press coverage. Notorious crypto mixing service Tornado Cash laundered more than $500 million worth of crypto in 2023. Although the US imposed sanctions against Tornado Cash in late 2022, the mixing service is still helping criminals launder hundreds of millions worth of cryptocurrencies. According to data compiled by Slowmist in 2023 alone, Tornado Cash saw around 314,740 ETH in withdrawals, valued at around $567.2 million based on 2023 rates. According to the analyst, North Korea-affiliated hackers Lazarus Group have shifted gears, becoming less visible as they focused on laundering the enormous cash of funds purloined in 2022, despite still a significant amount of funds being laundered through Tornado Cash. The overall volume passing through Tornado Cash has decreased by close to 85% post-sanctions. TRM Labs said in an October 2023 report, OFAC imposed sanctions against Tornado Cash back in 2022, claiming the service was used to launder more than $7 billion worth of crypto since 2019. This included over $455 million stolen by Lazarus Group, more than $96 million of malicious cyber actors' funds derived from the Harmony Bridge heist, and at least $7.8 million from the Nomad heist. Now let's go to Shekha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have XRP. XRP, a cryptocurrency backed by Ripple Labs, has seen significant whale transfer to central exchanges, causing excitement among crypto enthusiasts. On January 12th, two significant whale transactions occurred, transferring 48.2 million XRP to CEX's Bitstamp and Bitso. The transactions were made by an unknown address known for similar transfers in recent days. This move may be due to Ripple's recent strategic stake acquisition in these exchanges. XRP was trading at $0.5, down 0.69% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Sui. Sui and Carrier One have partnered to integrate advanced telecom services with the Web3 technology. Sui is investing in Carrier One to expand its decentralized physical infrastructure technology, demonstrating its potential to enhance the digital access and connectivity for underserved populations. The partnership will feature a deepen services powered by the Sui blockchain and the launch of Carrier One decentralized wireless network token on Sui. Contributors and participants in Carrier One ecosystem will earn DWI token. The Carrier Number One system will use NFTs to secure universal phone numbers. Sui was trading at $1.1, up 11% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Lido. Lido DAO token holders have seen an 18.9% price increase in the last 7 days, outperforming altcoins like Solana and Ripple. This increase may be linked to Ethereum's 18.48% value increase, similar to Lido's support for Ethereum post-merge. The total value locked of Lido has reached $24.7 billion, a 19.1% increase since its introduction. Active addresses reached 1,123 on January 11, suggesting network activity could reach $4 in short term. Lido was trading at $3.61, down 2% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Aptos token. OKX has expanded its on-chain earn product, enabling users to earn rewards for participating in proof-of-stake staking and DeFi protocols. The addition of Aptos's APT token allows users to stake APT and receive APR of 8%. The product offers a user-friendly experience with no subscription limits and is built on secure infrastructure and partners with verified third-party projects. APT was trading at $9.57, up near 2% in the last 24 hours. Last on the list, we have USDC. Circle, a stablecoin issuer, has filed for an IPO following the US Securities and Exchange Commission's approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. The stablecoin issuer has been planning to go public in 2024 with backing from Goldman Sachs, General Catalyst, and BlackRock. If approved by the SEC, Circle will become the second major crypto player to launch an IPO following Coinbase. The company has attempted to go public in 2022 through a special purpose acquisition company, Concord Acquisition Corporation. USDC was trading at $0.99, up 1% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.